Today in this video, I'm going to share with you something very important, and this is the topic that most of the English learner struggling with. So make sure if you are English learner and if you are improving your English, mostly the mistake you make while speaking in English, I'm going to highlight in this video. And yeah, if you like this video, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section. So the very first is that he go to school. This is the sentence, he go to school. Well, this is wrong. You must use he goes to school, not he go to school. Got it? After that, I have I am agree. I am agree, and it is absolutely wrong. The correct sentence is I agree. I agree. I am agree cannot the right sentence. We do not add am when we say I agree. You cannot say I'm agree. You must say I agree. After that, the word return back. There are so many people they use return back. What do you mean by it? Return back, return itself back. Why are you using back with return? So whenever you are using the word return, cannot use word back with the return. Always use return because it is itself back. Got it? For example, he returns home. It means that he must have gone before. Now he is coming back. He is returning at home. Right? It is the common sense. You cannot say he is returning back. No, he returns back or he is returning. After that, I have word discuss about. You must have seen so many people using this. Let's discuss about this. Let's discuss about this. But this is absolutely wrong. You cannot use word about with discuss. Discuss means that you are already going to talk about something. You cannot use the word about with discuss. Make sure whenever you are saying the word discuss, you are directly saying the topic. Let's discuss women empowerment. You cannot say let's discuss about women empowerment. Let's discuss women empowerment. And the next word is more better. And this is absolutely wrong. You cannot use more with better. Okay, so we have three superlative degrees: good, best, better. Okay, you cannot use more better. Always use single better. Like he performed better. That's it. You cannot say he performed more better. He performed better. And the last word that is really funny. I don't know why I have seen even celebrities using these words. I've seen so many people on social media, offline, they are using myself. I don't know why myself. It is absolutely wrong. We cannot say myself Renu. No. My name is Renu or I am Renu. I cannot say myself Renu. That is absolutely wrong grammatically. You cannot use that. So make sure whenever you are going to introduce yourself or you are teaching someone, you are not telling them that introduce yourself by using myself. No. You can say my name is this or I am this. That's it. So these are some common mistakes that I wanted to share with you guys. And let me tell you, if you want me to make some more videos highlighting these types of daily mistakes that we often make while speaking English, make sure to let me know in the comment section that you want more videos ahead so that I can plan accordingly. And if you find this one helpful, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching this one.